Good day, family. It is your boy once again, Mr. Policy. Welcome to this video, guys. So, as you saw the title, this is the Nasdaq 100 mentorship. It's basically a bit of a boot camp, guys. It's a bit of a boot camp, a bit of a masterclass, but this is the part one of it. I've noticed that Nasdaq is a highly traded index, and also people love it because the P value of Nasdaq is very high, and you can make a lot of money from Nasdaq. Nasdaq can give you about 1,000 plus pips daily, and which is something that is very rare when trading currency pairs. So it is loved. Nasdaq is loved, and a lot of people love to trade it. So basically, I'm just going to take you through everything that you need to know about Nasdaq, which I will not go into much detail, but this mentorship, or I'd say this boot camp, will help you a lot to understand something about Nasdaq, and it will give you a clear view of actually how you can trade Nasdaq and what is actually Nasdaq. So we will start from the beginning, guys. What is Nasdaq? So basically, the Nasdaq 100 is a stock market index made up of 102 equity securities issued by 100 of the largest non-financial companies listed on the Nasdaq stock market. It is a modified capitalization weighted index. The stocks weights in the index are based on their market capitalizations, with certain rules keeping the influence of the largest components. It is based on exchange, and it does not have any financial companies. The financial companies are put in a separate index, the Nasdaq Financial 100. So basically, guys, I was reading that from a website. So from the clear view of myself is that Nasdaq, it's uh it's an index. It's an index which consists of which has 100 most active companies in USA. When I speak about these companies, I'm speaking about uh, Apple. I'm speaking about Apple and Teslas and all. So it is basically moved by those companies, and I can say it is also a bit easy to track down everything. So let's jump into another thing. How do you determine your trade on Nasdaq 100? How do you determine it? Or how do you take your trade? What are your confirmations? So basically, you can trade Nasdaq in two ways, and not basic. It's not basically two ways. It's basically one way, which you must use the two options. Okay, so as I told you that Nasdaq consists of 100 companies. So you will want to see how those companies are operating, because saying that example, Apple, uh, maybe during the COVID-19, when it all started, the Nasdaq market went down. Because of the close of companies. So saying that about 100 Apple stores are closing down. So what will happen? The Nasdaq market will go down because the Apple stores have closed. So basically, these companies determine the move. It's just companies over here. It's just companies, guys. It's just companies over here. Companies. There was something for this move, and there's also something for this move. Okay, so there's something that happening. So you must always keep track of what's happening on those companies. So in further videos, I'll be able to mention different websites to see uh, how the companies are operating, how what is happening, to check the news, if everything is good on the Nasdaq market, how are the companies rolling, so that it may give you a clearer view of what to expect on the market. It doesn't mean that when you see that maybe Apple opened about 20 more stores, and you know that okay, this is a positive, and meaning that the market might go up. So that doesn't mean that you must just jump into the market and enter buy trade, but you must also look for setups. So basically, these I can call this one fundamentals, and I can also say you also need technicals. Whereas it's how to analyze it, how to be, how to execute your trade, basically, how to execute your trade, and the points where you must execute your trade. So I'll be able to mention strategies on further videos that I'll be uploading. So we have fundamental and we have technical uh, ways you can trade Nasdaq, and which you must use both, guys. You must use both. Okay. Then uh Nasdaq peak value is very different, guys. The Nasdaq peak value is very different, which I mentioned in the beginning of this video. It's a very high peak value, guys. So you can make a lot of money in this market. It is very much volatile, and you must be very also careful when trading Nasdaq, because anything might happen. And most importantly, with these brokers that we see now, whereas a person just makes a lot of money just like that, which are brokers that I'm not sure what they're doing behind the doors, but it's way more different than other brokers we trust, or other brokers that we were using before this NAS100 was actually introduced to us, because Nasdaq was here a long time ago. It's just that it's just introduced to us right now. It's just introduced to us right now. It is about 4 years being introduced to us, or about 5, or even more. But I knew it about 2 years ago. I knew about it 2 years ago. So it is a high peak value. And one thing I've seen about Nasdaq is that Nasdaq every day it only takes one direction. Every each and day it only takes one direction, guys. So I'll just go deeper into this on other videos, but I just want to show you something. The Nasdaq every day it takes one direction. So as you can see, this is the 31st of January. Okay, this was the 29th. So as you can see, from the 31st, which is here, to okay, no, today is the 2nd, guys. Today is the 2nd. So we must extend this. Today is the 2nd. Yeah, even yeah, now is the 3rd. But let's just look at the 2nd of February, which is yesterday. Okay, which is yesterday. Okay, perfect. I want to show you something very powerful about Nasdaq that many people don't know, or many people do not look at it that way, because they're just looking into getting into Nasdaq, making money, getting out and all. But actually, by doing the strategy that I'll be teaching you, you will be able to make more pips than doing an intraday, which daily you make wins and you make losses. But if you can check the move properly, you find that Nasdaq was just on a bullish momentum, or Nasdaq was just on a bearish momentum the whole day. So as you can see, this part was just today, was just yesterday. From this beautiful candle to here, this 3 candles was a bullish momentum. So this was the whole day. This was the whole day. The market on Nasdaq was a bullish, was all bullish, as you can see, guys, from over this point. From over this point to this point, the market was a bullish. Okay, let me do this. The market was in a bullish momentum. And if we can go to our daily time frame, you'll be able to see. I'll show you a very great strategy that I'm using to determine my move on Nasdaq. You can see this candle is bullish, guys. This candle is bullish. So let's just go to, let's say, our M5 time frame. So look at our M5 time frame, guys. So if you entered your trade over here, guys. You entered your trade over there. I wanna show you. So you entered your trade over here. Till this point, guys. Till this point, guys. You can see how many pips you secured, which is 1,970 daily pips. It's about 2,000 pips. If we reach this place, it's 2,000 pips, guys. 2,000 pips. Two clear 1,000 pips that you secured on a daily basis. You get me? So if, let's say, I entered my trade over here, okay, where it is, okay, yeah, as the market gave me an opportunity, I'll show you how to be able to take trades on Nasdaq and the right places to take trades. So let's say I took my trade over here, I might take profit over there, then saying that my stop loss will be just around this line, or yeah, this part, which is 72 pips. Look at how much I secured, guys. 1:26 risk ratio, which is 26% of my account. I secured it in only a day. 26% of my account, I secured it in only a day. And I'm not speaking about scaling in, I'm just speaking about only one trade, which is this big trade, and it's just a daily trade. It just needs all your patience. Just have patience, and all you have to do is just a trail stop. So saying that I took my trade over here, when the market came to this level, obviously I would move my stop loss to my break even. Then now it's a run free trade. I can even scale in on this trade. So 1:26, which is 26% of my account. It's a lot, guys. Saying that, let's say I entered with a 0.01 or any lot size which goes along with how my account is and my pip calculation. Saying that maybe I have $100 account, then it's about 26% of my account. So basically, let's say if I have $100 account, meaning that now I made $26. I make $26, and now my balance is on 126. My balance is on $126. And this means what? It's growth, guys. It's growth. You don't have to see Nasdaq with another eye. Don't see Nasdaq. You know, one thing I've seen about this is just a talk, guys. Today it's just a talk. I'll be more into the charts on other videos. On other videos, I'll be sharing quite more stuff. I just want to educate you more about this, guys, and what I've seen that people do and which is wrong. You know, they've seen now Nasdaq is taken as like a gambling machine. Whereas now I can deposit about my $30 and wait for that time when Nasdaq becomes volatile, which is 4:30, and enter my trade. Then my decision is that it's either my account blows or my account doubles or triples. So that's the mindset, and that's not trading. I'm just not gonna lie to you. That's not trading, guys. That's gambling. Trust me when I say that. It's just like playing lottery every day. Yes, it's just like playing lottery every day. You play with the hope. You play with the hope, or raffle. You play with the hope that, okay, I'm just gonna enter what I see now. Then if this trade goes the opposite way, okay, my account is blown. Then if this account goes my way, then I've doubled or tripled my account. So how are you going to see your growth? How are you going to see your percentage? And I won't lie to you, that's not trading. You can lie to yourself. You can say, nah, man, this is trading. This is how I do it. This is how I use growth. But this is not passive income. This is not an investment. It's just gambling, because you're working with hope. You're working with Maybe today it can do this, maybe today it can do that. Because Instagram traders, most Instagram traders, we have Instagram traders, guys. I'm not sure if you know them, but I won't mention names and I won't say a lot. Why do we have Instagram traders? People who post making a lot of money on Nasdaq. I know others do that, but okay, no grudge, no nothing. It's not something that I'm against, but I want to warn you. I want to tell you that, guys, you never know what's happening behind the closed doors. You never know what's happening behind the closed doors. Do not compare your chapter 20, your chapter 1 with someone's chapter 20. You get me? So don't get into the market and enter trades like you are crazy and thinking that you will be making 20,000 every day just like that, which is gambling, total gambling. Even if you did that, but it was gambling, trust me, that's not trading. And trust me, if a professional trader can come to you and say, "Let me see how you trade," and you show him those ways that you trade, he or she will definitely tell you that this is not trading and this is not what I'm about to work with. So, guys, as you can see here, we had a bit of a. I love this strategy. I taught my friend this strategy, and even today, he says he's still working and he loves it a lot. Yeah, it works. This one, it works very well. Break out over here, then take profit most of the time. You can see then, it works very, very well, guys. This one works very, very well. But I'll get into detail of strategies, guys. I'll get into detail of strategies. So how much pips over here? It's about 555, 553. Then your stop loss becomes here, but this is a retail trading trade, no problem. Then yes, your stop loss can be here. 1:4. Again, that 500 and something, it's 4% of your account, close to 5% of your account. You made close to 5% of your account. It's a very good trade, very beautiful trade over there, but we missed it. No problem. So, guys, yeah, this is the real talk, guys. This is the real talk. Please watch till the end, guys. This is just the real talk with you guys. I just want to set your mindset all straight. Just want to set your mindset all straight about this Nasdaq thing. People be looking for the best Nasdaq strategies out there. No, no, don't do that, guys. Don't do that. You don't have to make this hard. Because of the name, you are making it hard for you. I hear people saying, "Nah, that thing is hard. That thing is hard." How are you able to secure so much pips on Nasdaq? Whatsoever. The thing is, you think by seeing those Instagram traders, you think that there is something special. There's nothing special. Just use the simplest things, master them. That's how you will see that consistency, and you will see how you're going to grow massively. You know, just master it, guys. Just master it. There's no special thing that they're using, even though they may name them, even though they may name them and say, we have this special thing that we're using for Nasdaq. There's systems, there's robots, there's certain things that they're naming that it's money making. No, guys. Please don't waste your time. Don't waste your time going all around and looking for the best strategy. It's just like trading also currency pairs. You find that you spend many, many years looking for the best course. But at the end of the day, the course that actually it is there is just something that is much simple. It's even something that you learned before. But just because you did not pay for it before, you moved on to something else. Or maybe if you paid for it or anything. But guys, please be careful. Just be careful. This thing is not something that you should be afraid of. This thing is not something that you should be going out there and confusing yourself, because you find that you even confuse yourself because of many things you see out there, many things that they bring to you, guys. So it's a matter of you being able to to just fix your mindset. Just fix your mindset and master it, backtest it. What I'm going to share with you, I'm not gonna be selfish, guys. And I won't lie to you. I told you that right now I don't have any course that I'm offering to people. I don't have any services that I'm going to offer to people because I'm a trader who likes to satisfy people's needs, and I want to see people successful. So I don't want people tomorrow to come to me and saying that no, what you've promised me is not what you have delivered. So I know that for now I won't deliver everything that I can say I'm going to include, and I'm not going to do the best. The knowledge is there, the skill is there, I can teach and everything, but it's a matter of me creating professional and yeah, professional stuff, guys, professional stuff. So I want something that is very neat, something that is very much professional, than me doing something for the case of just doing it. No, it's better for me to give this knowledge for free on YouTube so that everyone can get help. You get me? Everyone can get help, and it shows so much that I like people's money won't feed me. People's money won't feed me. Like I don't need people's money. I make money from the markets. I secure my money from the markets, and that is why I'm also educating you guys so that you may be able to also become profitable on the trading market. So guys, this is how Nasdaq it is. It's a very volatile index. It's a very volatile index. You must be careful of it. And there are certain times when Nasdaq become very volatile, and those are the situations that you must also be careful of. But if you want to take advantage of them, I'll also show you the strategy of how to take exam. It's actually not even strategies, guys. You know, a wise man once told me that if we say there's a strategy of Nasdaq, so it means there must be a strategy for GBP for Euro JPY, for USD ZAR. So that's what also changed my mindset. So it's just methods of how to analyze it, methods of how to take your trades and what to look for onto the market before you can execute your trade. You get me, guys? So it's very clear. Nasdaq, just takes the one direction daily. This is the direction from just here to here, guys, to here. This is a 1 day direction, and I'm not lying to you. Maybe it might seem like no man, this guy is capping. This guy is capping. It's just showing us what you've seen today only. But I wanna show you even more, guys. I wanna show you more. So you see this bullish movement, but let's go back. Okay, but I don't want to go a lot. Guys, yeah, I'm back. I'm back. So okay, let's just view some other parts. I don't want to go a lot more back because TradingView might give me problems to load other informations at the back because only this one candle has many candles inside. So this was on the 27th of January, guys. Let's mark the 27th of January. I want to show you something. Nasdaq takes only one direction daily, guys. Only one direction daily every day. Only one. Only one. I want to show you guys. Let's just go to our H1 time frame. Okay, 27 January, where it all started is over here. No, which day were we looking at, guys? Which day were we looking at? Okay, let's just do this. So we were looking on the 27th of January. 27th of January. So the 27th of January surely started over here. 26, 26, 26, 26. We're looking for 27th. Okay, yes, 27. I want to show you the power, guys. The power of Nasdaq trading. This is the power of Nasdaq trading, guys. This is the masterclass you've always been wanting, like. And also, don't forget to share it with your friends and family, guys. Obviously, you want to save money for your friends. You want to save someone's life out there. Someone who's about to be scammed and sold fake stuff, things that don't work or things that you can get free on YouTube. Okay, the 27th ended over here. Let's see. Okay, it ended over here. So this is the 27th, guys. It ended over here. See this move. This was a sell move, clear sell move, guys. From the top of the day, till the end of the day, guys, it was still a sell. It was still a sell. Guys, this was still a sell. You know, but you be saying that no, man. How are we going to capitalize? How are we going to do what and what? But actually, this is what I'm going to show you on other videos, that how you can capitalize on them. Let's just go to a better M5. M5 is one of the good time frames that I love to trade Nasdaq on. It's not bad. It's much clearer also for setups most of the time. I want to show you something, guys. Okay, here we are. What's going on? Okay, look at this clear move, guys. Clear, beautiful move from over here, from when the market opened. See this beautiful sell. Let's see how much you would have secured, saying that I've entered my trade over here, guys, with a stop loss of over here. Obviously there's a point of interest there. I'll show you methods of using it. Imagine, guys, 1:18. Look at here, 6,631 points on Nasdaq daily, only daily, 1:18. So basically, with our risk management strategy, you would have made like 18% of your account daily, only on Nasdaq. And we're not speaking about scaling in, because we have scaling trades, guys. We have scaling trades over here. I can see a beautiful continuation pattern over here. Very, beautiful continuation pattern over here. We have very, many of them. Even though I do not take continuations pattern on Nasdaq entries, but I'll show you the entries that I do take, because over here we have a point of interest that you'll think that institutional trading doesn't work on Nasdaq. Oh shit. With this method, I go everywhere, guys. There's no way I don't enter. No, there's no way where I don't enter. There's no way. See, beautiful trade that I would have capitalized on, guys. Beautiful trade. Surely this is a 50% trade, a 50% entry. Then I take my 50% mark. Let's put it here. Perfect, guys. Hey, guys, I'm telling you, guys. You might think that this market, you might think that I'm seeing this only when the movers happen. No, guys. This is what I do. This is the trade we take. This is a scaling trade, institutional scaling trade. You will see how many pips you're going to secure this trade. See, 1:27. 1:27, guys. 1:27. 27% plus how much? Plus 18%. Guys, this is powerful. This is powerful, guys. I speak a lot because there is a lot of knowledge that I want to release to you guys. There is a lot of knowledge I want to. This 1:45. So basically, you've made your 45% daily, 45% trade daily, and we have another scaling trade over here, because I can see something. I can see something beautiful. I know that institutional trading will never lie to me. Yes, you can see something very beautiful over here. If you can zoom in, if you can learn your charts, you'll be able to kill it like nobody's business. It'll be like you like the markets, the real markets are giving you directions. Like the market is at your house. It's giving you directions and telling you, no man, enter, this is a buy, this is a sell. So our 50% pointers, right exactly at our 50% pointers, the trade was very much triggered. Let's take our beautiful trade over here. This is our another scaling trade that we could have taken over here. It's just that by this day, surely I was not onto Nasdaq. I was looking at currency pairs. But like right now, I'm back on Nasdaq, guys. I'm back on Nasdaq. You know, take profit. 1:36. 1:36, good people. 1:36, good people. And you get amazed when you hear that, oh man, Paul secured about 100, 1:100 risk ratio today. Paul did that, Paul did that. No, guys, this is all skill. This is all skill, guys. And I'm not only using this, there's stuff that I look into, and there's stuff that I'm going to teach you guys. Look at this one. But this one, I'm not sure if it hit our 50% level. But surely, if maybe they're not, we kind of missed it, but it went into our direction. Okay, almost hit our 50% level. Almost hit our 50% level, but it didn't, unless if I'm not accurate with our Fibonacci's. Let me see. Yeah, I was not accurate. Wait a minute, guys. Wait a minute. Almost hit our fibs. And if it hit our fibs over there, over my 50% level, I would have taken my trade over there, guys. Stop loss over here. Take profit over here. How much? 1:8 pips, guys. 1:8 pips. I mean, 1:8 risk ratio. Imagine so much scaling trades that we've took over here. So much scaling trades we've took over here. Let's calculate them. Let's just calculate them. This is 1:18, 1:27, 1:36. Guys, I'm sure that you are confused or this risk ratio point is because of the stop loss. It calculates your stop loss and also your take profit. Then plus 8, 1:8. It's 89, which I can say it's 90 actually. It's 90. 1:90. Where it's 4:90 because on every trade I'm risking how much? 1% of my account. So it's 4:80, and none of them has hit my stop loss. So how much I've made daily? $80. Let's have deposited $100. I've made how much? $80. So today my account is in how much? Let's put it over here, guys. Let's put it over here, guys. So okay, let's take it a bit bigger. 28, black color. 20. Saying, guys, I have $100 account. I have $100 account. Then I've made with that $100 account today, I've made 4:80, which is I was risking 4% of my account to gain how much? 80 pips. To gain a 80%. To gain 80%. Then how much now at the end of the day my account is on $180. Then I repeat the process. Saying that I repeat the process, and you get that maybe estimating that I times, what is this? Let me put in the X. So say that I'm timesing it by maybe 5, maybe by 5. Then we're going to exclude a bit of losses or maybe trades that we didn't take. Let's say it's times 5. I've made about $900. $900. But estimating that, being realistic, at least I made about $500 weekly. $500. From how much? From $100. I've made 500% actually of my account. So I'm not implementing the wrong things. I'm not implementing that you only focus on Nasdaq. I'm just showing you like that this can be a good investment. This can be a good investment. And Nasdaq is not to be traded daily, guys. Just look for perfect opportunities. Only if you can see perfect opportunities, that's when you can capitalize on Nasdaq. Just like any other pair, guys. Just like any other pair. I'm just gonna look at something over here very fast for you guys. If you can see an entry, because I can see some stuff over there. Okay. Quite beautiful one. You see, I would have caught my beautiful entry from there. I want to show you something, guys. You see, only this small part determine the big move. Only small parts. Only small parts determine big moves. Small parts determine big moves. You'll see how much I'm going to secure. With only that trade, I can make 1:200. Trust me. You see, I'm taking my trade over here. My stop loss just over the top. Zero breakdown. Break even. It hasn't even hit my stop loss. My take profit is just over here. Let's check our risk ratio. 1:50, guys. 1:50 risk ratio on only one beautiful big trade. Was only what it was only determined by this bar. Only this bar, guys. This bar, guys. So it's how much now? It's 80 plus 50. So it's 130 now. If I'm it's 130, guys. It's 130. 130, guys. So you can see, guys. You can see. It's 5:130, guys. 5:130. I've doubled my account. And I've made even $30 on top of my account. Yes, I've doubled my account and I've made $30 on top of my beautiful account. And we are good now. We are just good. We are perfect. And a daily, guys. This is daily. This is daily. So, guys, it is your boy once again, Mr. Policy, and I'm signing out, guys. I'm signing out, guys. I'm signing out. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also check out the other videos. And guys, do the most, guys. Please share this video with your friends and family. This is the masterclass part 1. I'll do other parts. Other parts are following. Just stay tuned. It will be very much interesting, and I'll be able to do them at least weekly. It will be good. It will be fire. It will be fire. I hope you enjoyed the first video. Please don't forget to leave your comments down below and tell me what you think about this. And yes, guys, I hope you learned a lot today. This was just a talk together. It was just a beautiful talk and just showing you some better stuff, guys. Showing you how interesting it's going to be in the future. Surely you want to know how I secure this kind of moves, and you are interested. I'm sure you are interested. I mean, you want to secure such moves, guys. You want to secure such entries, guys. You want to have a good risk ratio trade every day, and you want to have big guys. You just want to secure the bag. Everyone wants to secure the bag, guys. So just do the most, and please share it with your friends and family. I mean, you want to help your fellow brother, you want to help your fellow sister, fellow family member, anyone, guys. I mean, this is free, and it doesn't even take you 5 minutes to promote it. Just put it on all your social media platforms, on your statuses, then you'll be good on your stories. So I'm signing out, guys.